Hello, welcome again. In this session, we shall discuss how to define a process. Let us start. In a Six Sigma approach, the process improvement is carried out in a 5-step process. These are: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. As a first step for this, the Six Sigma team has two. First, define the process. Let us understand how to begin with the ideas. Here the learning objective is to understand the perspectives and requirements for defining a process. As a professional, when you try to improve some manufacturing or service performances, we take a projects and try to identify and enlist who is the customer. What does she think is critical to quality? Who speaks for the customer? What is the business strategy? Who is the stakeholder of the business? Who can help define the issues? What are the processes involved? Once we begin with the ideas, let us understand the objectives of the defining process. In the define phase, the objective is to identify the process or the product for improvement, to explain and show examples of tools and data techniques of voice of customer, to identify customers and translate the customer needs into CTQs, to develop a team charter. Here, problem and goal statement, project scope, business case, team roles, and milestones will all be included. The next is to develop a high-level process map for the most significant 4 to 5 steps of the process. And the final objective is to obtain formal project approval. Now we need to understand the roadmap for the define phase. In the define phase there are 3 sub-phases. They are: identifying the project CTQs. The deliverable at this stage will be to identify customers and project CTQs. The next sub-phase is developing project charter. Here the deliverable will be to develop the business case, to develop the problem and the goal statement, to determine project scope, to select team and define roles, to set project milestones. The last and the third sub-phase is defining process map. Here the deliverable will be to create high-level process map, connecting the customer to the process. To summarize, while identifying the project CTQs, the focus is to identify what the customer really wants. Here customer surveys, group discussions and focus group interviews will be crucial. While developing the project charter, identifying the roles and responsibilities will be crucial. And while defining the process map, minute documentation and brainstorming in team will be crucial.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.